Welcome to Fallout 76. This is Jim. Once in a while, we'll get a daily. Kill a Wendigo 1. 250 score. Now, I have several videos showing great, reliable locations of a Wendigo. And in this video, just another great location. It's not a 100% location, but it's a good location because the Wendigo will spawn here at times. Where I'm at is in Beckley, but Sal's Grinders. That's where I'm at. This building right here. So that's that yellow water tower. You spawn out in the road down there. A couple robots around. There's the mine exhibit up there. And inside Sal Grinders, there'll be either a glowing putrid one or a Wendigo. Wendigo is usually upstairs, and you'll know a Wendigo is here because it makes a little sound, like a hissing sound. Hear it? And he'll be in that room. Or he's right there. Let's go for the head. God, just like that. Kill a Wendigo 1 for 1. Sometimes he's in that room, and other times he's roaming the hallway, apparently. Alright, so again, Beckley, but more or less Sal's Grinders in Beckley. Between a Wendigo and a glowing bloated one, just an FYI. It's not a 100% location, but in case all the other spots and you don't feel like fast traveling or server hopping, you might have a chance to find a Wendigo here. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and share when you have the chance. It really helps me out, and I hope you all have a nice day.